So this is the actual runway. Yeah, wow. That's cool. So if you hear a loud noise, run. Yeah? And there's the plane over there. And well, this is the runway. There you go, too. So you're on the cars.
So we're on the runway at the moment.
Yes.
Yeah. At the moment, bikes that have come across here.
Yes.
Before the tunnel opened last year,
Yes.
cars would regularly cross the runway.
Okay.
You hear the siren going soon, because if you have a look behind, you can see the B8 flight.
Oh, the B8 fly's just about taxiing out, so we better get our backsides in gear.
Very special what's going to come.
There you go, look at that. So we better get a jog on because the plane's reversing. Is that the alarm going off? I think it is, isn't it? Right.